Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. And it's a Saturday, and it's the first of the month, which means it's cards in the mail to me. So I've got a little selection here today that have been sent to me over the past month. So I wanted to show them all to you. So I have this one, which is just gorgeous. Lovely, lovely lady on my team. Heidi, you might know her as Flutterby Heidi. And she sent me this along with the most beautiful rainbow coloured shawl, which actually I should have brought up with me. It's downstairs. Absolutely gorgeous. And she's made me rainbow dragonflies. Just, they're so pretty, aren't they? But yeah, you'll see her flutter by Heidi. Oh, look, the sun's decided to come out. And it's streaking through. And then this one here is from Margaret, who has sent me a beautiful die cut card, and it's textured paper. We don't really have textured paper at all, but yeah, it's lovely with a die cut thank you on it. And then I have one here from Karen, who has sent me this. Oh, really, seriously, she has to get into every video now. So this is from our lovely Karen, and I love this stamp set. It's so pretty. Look, she's just going to park herself, isn't she? If you saw my Instagram of a couple of days ago on my business page, she decided to park herself right on my diary. I think she wanted me to schedule her in somewhere. So just beautiful. You like that too, don't you, Fauna? And and I have got another one here with a very long letter this is from my lovely Nicola, who has sent me this one. Just so pretty. Yes, you really like it, don't you? Just sit there and look lovely. She's got the most beautiful blue eyes. I don't know if she's going to look up at you. This is the It Starts With Art stamp set. Is it called It Starts With Art? Oh, I'm not sure now. But that's lovely. And then a little bit of gold embossing just in the centre there. You think that's lovely, don't you? Yes. Come on, look up at the camera. Show everybody your beautiful blue eyes. Very pretty. Now go and play somewhere else. Little kittens. And then my next one is our lovely Jenny. Jenny, who sends me goodies and treats and things every month. And she's popped this card in the post to me. Noisy phone. Just lovely. I love all of this paper. It's so gorgeous. It's been so popular, or it was ever so very terribly popular, but just charming. And then lovely one from Sue, and she is Sue B Crafts on YouTube. Look at that hippo. He's just too cute. He is so sweet, and she knows I like a rainbow, or she's understood that I like a rainbow. Red, yellow, green and blue, back into red again. Gorgeous. And then this one is from my lovely Sam Roberts, and she's Sam's Crafty Things on YouTube. Actually, on Instagram, I should say. Sam's Crafty Things on Instagram. And I love it that she sends me our kit cards. She knows that, she's been a demo on my team. 8 years this month. I want to say the 15th of May. But she's been a demo almost as long as I have. She was my first joiner. And she knows I buy kits and never do them. So she buys kits and she sends me the cards. So I know what to look for. Really, Fauna? You're going to sit there and wash your feet now? Or are you just going to play? Oh, you're going to beat me. And then my last card today. This is from don't bite me, a lovely young man whose mum, I'll say his mum's name. His mum's name is Sadie. And I sent a little special something to him because he's a little Harry Potter head like me. And he had a new bedroom. So I sent him something in the post, and he has made me this card. And from the note, he tells me that they have chickens in their garden. And Sadie, like me, is she calls us brickheads. People who like Lego. I love Lego. Kind of, thank you lockdown. It's got me into Lego again. So we have really bonded. But yeah, so these are my cards. I just wanted to show them all to you. So many lovely cards. We've got a busy weekend on. So today is Saturday the 1st of May. Yesterday the 30th of April was my eldest son's 18th birthday. I'm not old enough to have an adult for a son. And many of you will know he was 10 when I joined. So yeah, he's 18 now. Today apparently we're going camping overnight. Just the 6 of us. That's what he wanted to do to celebrate his birthday. So we're going to a campsite not far from home. And Monday is a bank holiday, but it's actually my husband's birthday as well. He's not 18. And something just popped. I think that might have been a balloon. Fauna's already taken out one of Jack's balloons. I bought these most beautiful balloons with confetti inside, but gold circles about that size. And they were inside, so as you blew them up, they kind of bounced around and everything. And she took out one today, and there was just confetti went everywhere. So I thought I'd show you my lovely cards. I hope you're all having a lovely weekend. And those of you in the UK... She's just stolen Pootle off my side. That was knitted, that was crocheted for me the first year I was a demo. Those of you in the UK also on a bank holiday like me, I hope you have a great one. Don't kill it. Bye.